Everyone, it's 9:39 a.m. on Thursday, September 8th, 2022. And right here is an antique brass 52-inch Emerson Northwind from, I want to say, the mid 90s, early to mid 90s. It was a very popular model, as seen prominently at most Bob Evans restaurants around that period. This is like 90% similar to the Bob Evans setup. Antique brass and the oak finished blades gave it a very homey feel in the restaurant. And except the light kit on it only has four lights instead of the five, the center globe that most Bob Evans has had from that time. But anyway, a little backstory on this fan is that I purchased the motor, new old stock, motor and canopy, at a defunct lighting store sitting in the basement, defunct local lighting store, where I gathered up a whole plethora of other Emersons of this vintage. And it didn't have the switch cap. It lacked that, as well as the blades and blade arms. So anyway, in 2019, early 2019, I stumbled across the switch cap and the light kit at a thrift store. I said, oh man, I need to get this. My Emerson, my almost new in the box Emerson motor will be complete. So I was able to scramble the aftermarket blade arms and from Home Depot, and the blades came from another lighting store that I frequented. So this fan is now complete, and I'll show you the Emerson logo right here. See that? The 90s Emerson logo right there, the bow tie logo. There's the vents, sideband, the canopy. These globes are a little bit dirty, but I just had to improvise on them. And no, that's not what Bob Evans used. They had striated globes, or striped globes, if you will. And that being said, let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? There. Lights on. Has that illuminated feel to it. I mean, Emerson uses a slightly different blade iron for that, but you really couldn't tell. The thing performs awesome. So let's, there's a reverse switch right there. The switch housing is detachable, as you can see. So these pull chains were something that I added. Another improv. So turned off. And now let's rev up the fan first on low. Got a little bit of a hum to it though. Medium. Start to crank out more air on medium. For a builder grade fan, it's really not all that bad. Okay, let's bump up to high, shall we? It's very stable and smooth in air. Two good things. This is a keeper. Well, I've been wanting to hang this fan in this spot for quite some time now, so everybody be like, why'd you take down that plastic Sears? Well, you know, it had been up here for a year and I decided, you know, time for something new. Got quite a breeze there. Now we'll do spin down. Bearings are really good on this fan. Yeah, we don't have so much glare of the light in the background. If I stand at this angle. Okay. So I basically salvaged this motor from being scrapped. Because I think somebody must have jacked the initial switch housing that came with it, the original one. Yeah, I miss the Bob Evans restaurants having these ceiling fans in their dining room. They were just awesome. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.